In Kuban CSC, the first problem is something like that. I don't know actually. Okay, basic emoji. Okay, and there in Russian language, I don't know. There are the most basic images. Why do you think they could theoretically be used to transfer files? Okay, I have downloaded this attachment, and after extracting there I found some emoji, and there we can see each emoji like old face 3A, then twisted hand sign 4A. So from emoji to we need to get ASCII value from this emoji. So ASCII, that means Unicode value. So I have used emoji string, that's the ciphertext from for loop. There each and every character I am trying to get the decimal value from there. One 128.058, 128.074, 58, 114, 106. Okay, and if we see their flag format is CSC, so first try to remove 128.000, that means 1,28,000. So we have got 58, 74, 58, and if we use CSC, and that's a capital letter, C for, if you see, that's our value 43, and decimal value is 67 actually. Decimal value of C, that's our 67. So there is 58. If we change this by adding 9, then there's 67, 83, 67, 123. Okay, now we can convert this to character, so we can get the ASCII code. So there is CSC. Can it be better than base 64? Okay. So if we want to show this line in one line, then we can use print like that, and then we use join. So it will show in one line. So that's our flag.